Hi everyone, γεια σας και καλώς ήρθατε to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're going to be making a delicious no-bake Biscoff cheesecake trifle, or trifles. We're making small little mini desserts. They come together in like 15 minutes. You could double, triple, quadruple this recipe to feed a large crowd. It's perfect for the summertime because you don't have to cook any part of this. It's delicious, it's creamy, it's refreshing, and so easy to make. Let's get started. Add the Biscoff cookies to a food processor that's fitted with a blade attachment and pulse them until they're turned into fine crumbs. If there are a few big pieces in there, that's fine. You can just leave them. For the cream cheese filling, you could attach the whip attachment to a kitchen stand mixer, or you could do this by hand with a hand mixer. Just go ahead and add 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's best if it's soft and at room temperature. This is still a little cold, but it'll break up. It's just that if it's soft and at room temperature, it'll mix much easier. Then I'm gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar, or you can sweeten this, to suit your taste. Put a little less or a little more, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. And then a cup of full-fat plain Greek yogurt, and mix that up on high speed until it's smooth and creamy. And just like that, the cream is ready. Over here I have 6 strawberries, but you can use any berries that you like: blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, they'll all work. Strawberries I think go really well in this recipe, so I'm just using those, and they look really pretty. I'm just gonna cut them in half and then just thinly slice them. And to assemble the trifles, I have these mini trifle bowls, but you can do it in a small glass or a cup, whatever you have on hand. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of the ground up Biscoff cookies to the bottom, a heaping tablespoon. And I'm just gonna spread it into an even layer. And then I'm gonna divide the cheesecake filling evenly between the cups. If you transfer the filling to a piping bag, it'll just look much cleaner. Spread out the filling as evenly as you can, and then go ahead and garnish the top with the strawberries. I like to put the strawberries on 1/2 of the top of it. Okay, so our Biscoff cheesecake trifles have chilled. They're ready for the taste test. They're ready to be served. Now, on the recipe card, I wrote that you can make 5 to 6 of these. I like the cups to be more full, so I just use 5 trifle cups for this. But you can definitely make them a little bit smaller and get 6 servings out of this, but I like to make really nice hearty portions. It is up to you, but I do suggest making a double recipe of this, even if you're making it for 4 people, because they're just so delicious, and it takes the same amount of time to crumble the cookies in the food processor and to make the filling, so why not make a few extra and keep this in your refrigerator. They keep fresh for about 24 to 48 hours. The longer they stay in the refrigerator, the Biscoff cookie crumbs are going to tend to get a little bit softer and soggier, so keep that in mind. One thing that I forgot to do today while recording this video that I did when I was recipe testing, when I sliced the strawberries, I sprinkled some sugar on top of them, and that kind of made them juicier and a little sweeter and softer. So if you want to do that step and then put the strawberries on top, that's a good idea. Time for the taste test. I cannot describe just how delicious this is. That cheesecake filling is very light, and it's a little bit tangy because of the Greek yogurt that's in there. It's so refreshing. Some lemon zest would be nice in there too. The Biscoff cookies are just so cinnamony and warm and just delicious. The strawberries add a lot of freshness and also some sweetness. But like I said, you can definitely use your favorite berries, blueberries, blackberries, a combination. It's up to you. Definitely give this recipe a try. And stay tuned because the next recipe that I'm posting is going to be a Mediterranean meal that is not going to heat up your kitchen. You can do the whole thing in the air fryer, and there's one step in it in the Instant Pot. Stay tuned for that one. If you guys want to learn how to make more delicious desserts, click over here and I will see you right over there. To print this recipe out, head on over to the website www.dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section, and if you have any other recipe requests, post them down below as well. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.